Welcome traders! Today marks the beginning of an exciting challenge. We are starting with just $1 and my goal for today is to go all the way up to $5,000. I'll be guiding you today through all the steps using solid strategy based on technical analysis, which means we will focus on support and resistance levels, uptrends, downtrends, and the nature of candlesticks and other patterns and situations on the market. By the end of this video, you will not only see what I will be able to achieve starting with just $1, but also you will get valuable insights which you can apply in your own trading. See if we will be able to make this way to $5,000 a reality. So let's get started and find the first entry point. As you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend and we have broken through the support level. The price is currently moving below this level, and here we'll open a deal to sell because there's still enough space left before the previous price low, and at the same time the main price highs on the chart are decreasing. That is, all these points indicate that the price has a good potential to decline, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in the general downtrend in the near future. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a good decline. In this way, I got steady profit from our first transaction, and I think it's a very good start. Guys, let's continue. So, as you can see here, the price moving in an uptrend. It is currently rolling back downwards, so let's open a deal up here, since we still have enough space left before the maximum point on the chart. At the same time, as you can see, the price is moving up more impulsively and mainly with green candles, and also after a very strong decline, the price resumed its growth again. That is, as you can see, the price has the potential to increase, and I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future, and I hope that 2 minutes in this situation was totally enough for us. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showing growth and our deal closed above the entry point, and I got the profit here. At the same time, 2 minutes was just enough for us. Now let's continue and find the next entry point. As you can see, this is where our support level is located, and the price is currently approaching the level. Let's open a deal to sell because there is still room to reach this level. We also see that the main price highs are decreasing and the price moving down quite impulsively and significantly with red candlesticks. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will touch the marked level. Here we will try to make money on such a decrease. And it's taking into account the still short distance to the level, and we took 1 minute so that our position here doesn't get knocked out. So guys, let's wait for the result. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price shows a slight decrease and our deal closed below the entry point. And that's how we got the profit here. Well, I suggest that we continue and find another situation on the market. As you can see, the price breaks through the market level and continues to move down. So we'll open a deal for a minute to sell because we see a large number of red candles on the chart. And also earlier, as you can see, the price rebounded up from this level and now it is already going beyond it. All these points indicate that the price has a good potential for decline and the price is more likely to move down. Well, let's see how the deal will close. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens unfortunately. Well, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and shows us a good decrease, and thus our deal closed below the entry point. And I was able to earn money here, and also 1 minute was just enough. Guys, let's continue. Okay, next situation. Here we have a good confident uptrend, and at the moment the price is showing an increase. Therefore, we'll open a deal here for 2 minutes to buy, because we can see that the main price lows on the chart are rising, and also after the pullback the price shows growth again. That is, as you can see, the price has a good potential to increase. Therefore, it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the general uptrend in the near future. And let's just watch the chart and see how this deal will close. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a good growth. Thus, this transaction brought us a steady profit. Meanwhile, we already have $13 on deposit. So as you can see, we have already been able to increase our initial amount by more than 10 times, and I think it's a great result. Guys, let's continue. As you can see below, the price is pulling back down, and here's just opening a deal to buy. Because I think that the price will increase, we will still have a long distance to reach the maximum point on the chart. And also earlier in this zone, the price made a reversal, and after rolling back down, it continued to move up. Also now, as you can see on the chart, we already have a green candle forming. That is, it is quite possible that now the price will move according to this scenario. We will try to make money on this growth here, and let's wait for the result, guys. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, the price went up quite impulsively, but then it also made a strong pullback down. At the same time, our deal closed above the entry point here, and I have managed to make money here. Well, I suggest that we continue and see what happens in the market next. As you can see, that there is impulsive green candle have formed. That's why we are opening a deal to buy, because there's still room to reach the maximum point. We also saw a reaction earlier in the support area, and then the price went up with an impulse. That is, it tells us that the price still has potential for growth. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will show an increase, and here we'll try to make money on it. Let's see how the deal will close. Well, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price shows a slight increase. This deal brought us profit. Well, I suggest that we continue and consider another situation on the market. So, as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend, and earlier, against the background of the news, the price made a strong upward momentum. Now we are seeing some kind of consolidation, and in such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to buy. Because we can see that there is still space to reach the maximum point on the chart, and also the price is now managing to stay much higher than the previous price minimum. That is, as you can see, the price still has the potential for growth and for the continuation of the uptrend. This is where we'll try to make money, and I think that 2 minutes in this situation will be totally enough for us. And let's just watch the chart and wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price shows a slight increase, and our deal closed above the entry point. And that's how we made a profit here. And as you can see, 2 minutes was just enough for us. Well, I suggest that we continue and consider another situation on the market. Okay, as you can see here, the price had previously made a strong downward impulse, but then resumed its growth. And at the moment it is approaching the resistance level, so we are opening a deal to buy. Because I think that the price will try to break through this level again, and these price lows are getting higher. Previously, the price had already exceeded the marked level several times, so we have also now entered into a deal on a downward price rollback. Thus, there is still room to reach the maximum point on the chart, and all these factors make it clear for us that the price has a good potential for growth. Guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and it goes beyond the resistance level. And of course, it shows a good growth. This is how we got the profit here, guys, and we already have $151 on my deposit. That is, as you can see, we have already managed to increase our initial amount by $150. 50 times. As you can see, my strategy works so well and it helps us to find the good entry points. Guys, let's continue. As you can see here, the price has rebounded upward from the support level. In such situation, we'll open a deal to buy. Because we see that the price also has a support level here, and earlier the price moved up quite impulsively, and also now it went above our entry point. All these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth, and I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future. Well, guys, that's amazing. As you can see, the price moving up and showing good growth. Thus, this transaction brought us a steady profit. At the same time, 2 minutes here was quite enough for us. Well, it's just that we continue and find the next entry point. As you can see further on the chart, we have green impulsive candles forming again. Therefore, we open a deal for a minute to buy. As we can see that the price continues to move up more impulsively and mainly with green candles, and this makes it clear to us that the price has the potential to increase. And I think that 1 minute in this situation will be quite enough. So guys, let's wait for the result. Guys, we have several green candlesticks forming in a row on the chart, and thus the price shows good growth. I got a steady profit here, and also, as you can see, 1 minute was just perfect for us. Well, I should suggest that we continue and find another situation in the market. So, as you can see here, we have a good confident uptrend. At the moment, the price is pulling back down. So, let's open a 3-minute deal to buy here, because I think that the price will resume its growth, and in the near future, we see in general the price is moving up with mostly green candles, and it had already made a small pullback earlier. Also, now we have entered into a deal with such a downward price rollback. All these points indicate that the price has potential for growth, and taking into account that the price may show a decrease, we will take 3 minutes with you to spare. And let's wait for the result. Guys, isn't it great? Our price didn't show a strong increase, and I got into the consolidation zone. But at the same time, our deal closed above the entry point, and that's how we managed to make money here. And we had the first $1,000 on deposit. I think it's amazing. And as you can see, we are confidently approaching our trading goal. Guys, let's continue. As you can see here, the price has made a strong downward momentum from the resistance level. In such a situation, we will open a deal to sell, as I think that the price will continue to move down. We can see that earlier, near the resistance level, there was a price reversal, and now there is still a long distance from our entry point to the previous price low. Also, this time we saw a reaction near the resistance level, and at the same time, the price moving down more impulsively. Okay, all these points indicate that the price has a good downward potential, and let's just watch the chart and see how the deal will close. Guys, it's not bad at all, and as you can see, the price pulled back up but then continued to move down again. And so our deal closed below the entry point, and I was able to make money here. Guys, I think a couple of deals and we were able to achieve my trading goal. Let's continue. So, as you can see here, the price moving in an uptrend, and after a strong decline, the price shows growth again. In such situation, we'll open a deal to buy, because here's still a resistance level above. We also see that the main price lows on the chart are rising, and after the pullback, the price began to move up more impulsively. All these indicate that the price still has the potential for growth, and I think it's more likely that the price will continue to move up in the general uptrend in the near future. Then let's see how this deal will close. Okay guys, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing growth. Thus, this transaction brought us a steady profit. Well, I suggest that we continue and see what happens in the market next. Here, Prosto reopened the deal to buy, since we still have enough space left before the resistance level, and at the same time we see that our price continues to move up. New price lows are also rising. That is, we see that the price has potential for growth, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up and try to touch the resistance level. I hope that 2 minutes in this situation will be totally enough for us, guys, and let's just watch the chart and see how the deal will close. Excellent, my dear traders, the price is showing growth and touching the resistance level. Thus our deal closed in profit, and we already got over $5,000 on deposit, so as you can see, our trading goal has been fulfilled. That's it for today, guys, and as you can see, we were able to achieve this goal only thanks to the strategy based on technical analysis. That isn't about luck, it's also about using systematic approach that you can also apply for consistent profits. So always remember that trading is about analyzing the big picture and take under consideration many factors at once. So with the right strategy and experience, your success will come. If you found this video very helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more strategies, and you can thank me for this video just by putting a big thumbs up to this video. Also, let me know down below in the comments what stops you from trading, and if you want to take your trades to the next level, guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and they're totally for free. Guys, you have to be in my exclusive community. How to get there? Text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.